How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching Sygtech. Let's have a look the plus premium of the, I'm not gonna say the word because my assistant is going to say something. So this is the premium of the PS Plus. So let's have a look what games are included, and also if you're in UK, this is for UK, and I paid the premium. So this is for 1 year, and let's see now what is included. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and let's start now. So when you add the plus premium for 1 year, you have a lot of benefits. So let's have a look now what we have here. So we have the game trials. So basically you can try games before you buy, which this is always nice. As you can see, we have a lot of games that you can try for free, and this is lovely, so you can try different games. What else we have here? We have the classic catalog, which is amazing. So we have a lot of games. So this is included with your premium subscription, which is it's nice. So we have a lot of games. As you can see, later on I'm gonna give you the total games included with this premium subscription, and also I'm gonna give you the price as well. So as you can see, this is the classic catalog, which is nice. And what else we have here? So we have the cloud streaming, so you can stream directly from your PS5, and this is all is included with the premium. So we have a lot of games that you can stream directly, which is lovely in my opinion. As you can see, we have a lot of games. So this is nice because you don't have to download games, and there's games for everyone, a lot of games. So let's see what else we have here. So this is for UK. So if you're in the UK, please make sure to watch this video, give a like, or also if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Also we have a game catalog. This is the classic catalog here. This is the game catalog. Let's see what we have here. So this is all the games that included. We have the Spider-Man Miles Morales, which is amazing. We have a lot of games. Some games, as you can see, they are duplicated for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah. This is all the games that are included. Let's see what else we have here. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the comments down below. And this is the PlayStation Plus collection. We have the Crash. We have Ratchet and Clank. This is very nice game. This included. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. We have the monthly games. Also, you get 3 free monthly games every month, which always is nice. So we have the Nickeldon, I don't know how to pronounce that, All Star. We have God of War. We have the Naruto, which is nice. And also we have discounts. So basically you can buy games with discounts. Exclusive packs. Again, this is very nice. As you can see. You have a lot of things here, which is nice. So And also I'm gonna give you my opinion about the subscription, if it's worth it or not. We have online multiplayer and game help. And now, what else we have here? We have the classic catalog, which I already checked. But let's check the games. Let's check the games. So this is all the games that I included with premium. So the premium is the high tier. And I count out all the games. As you can see, there are a lot of games. If you're wondering how many games are in total, so I count out up to 725. So I reckon there are about 700 games because there was a couple of duplicate games. So 700 games. And the reason why, I mean, if I'm honest with you, there's a lot of games for everyone. There's a classic games, there's a games for PS1, PS2, PS3, PS4, PS5, PSP. There's a lot of games that I think everybody will be happy to play. And my opinion, this is worth it. And also, advice, if you're planning to get the premium version, make sure you get the 1-year subscription. And the reason for that is, it's because if you pay monthly, it's gonna be £13 and 45 pence or something. If you play yearly, you're gonna pay only 99.99, so you save £61. And also we have a Tekken 2 as well. This is classic Tekken 2. I already downloaded the Ratchet and Clank. Also, I bought this game, House Flipper. This is not included, which is very nice. So I don't know, if you want to see gameplay, please leave it in the comments down below if you're interested to see some gameplay. Also, I downloaded the Crew 2. This is very nice game as well. And also Spider-Man, Crash, Astro's Playroom. So definitely is worth it, this premium. You have about 700 games. You have benefits, collections, games. I mean, you have everything here. So my advice is definitely is worth it. Okay, so definitely is worth it, this interesting premium version of the PS Plus. So let me know, what do you think? Are you already subscribed to any of those 3 tiers, or you're gonna wait? If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, yeah, leave it in the comments. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.